This video I'll show you how to create your own hydrologic database for GetRealtime. And we'll be clearing out all the example data and setting up your own site of interest. And to do that, close this. Let's go to Help. And there is a video on program setup. Let's scroll down to creating your own database, and you can do it for any of these sources. Okay, so let's try there. Creating your own database, and you can read through this, how to clear out the data, what data to leave. Example, our site should not be deleted because you can always use it to copy and paste to your new sites. Okay, different data sources that are free. Okay. So let's start with Get Access, and we'll also do it for GetRealtime and Get Graphs. Okay, let's go to Get Access. And Get Access was installed in C: Program Files, GetRealtime, Get Access, and here's the executable that we'd run. And here's the database that we'll be operating on, the Microsoft 2003 Access. So let's start up Get Access. Here's a site list. Here's all the sites. So we're going to clear all this out. To do that, we need to go to DB Tables, Allow Edit. Let's go to our site. Our site has the information for all the stations, and we need to edit, so always say Allow Edit, our site, go. Now you can delete these stations one at a time, each row one at a time. Delete record, but there's 114 of them, so that would take a while. So what we're going to do is go up here and then just a minute, let's get back to site list. That would work too. Let's go to DB Tables, our site, and don't do the Allow Edit, just say go. Now it gives us a SQL statement we can work with up here for that table. So instead of select, let's just delete. Delete star from our site. That's going to remove everything that's in our site. And hit go. Finish. Delete star from our site. Okay, and now if we do the site list, there's nothing there. Go back to the DB Tables, our site. Go, nothing there. So that's the easy way to clear out that data. And then when you get ready to add, you go to our site, Allow Edit, and go. And you can right click there and add new record, and away you go. Okay? Okay, now let's go to, well, let me start again with that. If you wanted to add one, I'll show you how to do that real fast. DB Tables. Let's go to example, our site, so we can just copy one of the rows. Allow Edit, go. And let's take this one here, Lake Mojave. Oops. Okay, right click, copy record. Okay, now let's go to DB Tables, our site, Allow Edit, go, right click, add record, and paste record. And now you can just edit it to whatever your site would be, and so forth across here. Okay, and when you're done, you have to click off of that row to send it back to the database. Now it's in the database. Site list, and there it is, the only one in the database. Okay, now let's go to GetRealtime and do the same for that. let's delete all the data there. Get real time. Select station list from list and edit list. And again, you could do it one record at a time, but that's a lot of records, 100 of them. So let's just get out of GetRealtime, and here's the setup that contains that information. You can see that list is right here. It's from keep stations to be retrieved below here, and it tells you what the parameters are. So we just need to delete all this, or better yet, and it's terminated with the end statement. Better yet, let's just leave all that and move our end station up to here. So now we've got a list. Once it hits the end, it'll terminate the reading. So this should provide a one station list. And save it. Okay, now when we get real time, select station, and there it is. And now when you say edit list, you can add a new record, put in your new records, or copy record, paste record, and then edit your new data like that. Okay, and you have to save it. If you don't save it, you've done all that work for nothing. Okay, now let's go to Get Graphs. Get Graphs. The only thing in Get Graphs, well, remember we had all these pages and pages of graphs. So the best way to do that is actually to edit the graph setup itself. And let's just see the page graph and the other parameters going across this way. Down, down, down. Let's just leave the first page, because it needs every site. Let me show you down here. Like if you don't have 12 graphs on that page, it still needs this information down here. So you have to have 1 through 12 for that page, for each page, 1 through 12, 1 through 12. So let's just leave page 1 alone and highlight all this data down and delete it. All the way to the end. Okay, delete. Now save it, and we should just have one page to view. Save, exit. Now when we start up Get Graphs, getgraphs.exe. It's trying to get that one website. Come on, baby, come on. I must not like that web page. Continue. Now you can click on any of these. Oh, there it's coming in finally. I don't know what that was. Let me see what this was. Oh, it's a picture of Lake Mead. Let's shrink this. Get rid of the scroll bars. Okay. Now we can right click on any of the graphs. Not any of the graphs. Let me say that again. Right click on the graph you would like to delete. Then setup, and it shows you the title for this page: rainfall, Vegas Valley rainfall. Oh, that's a web screen. Well, setup. Let me start. Something went wrong here. Yeah. Okay, let's look at that again. Looks fine. Now when we start to Get Graphs, continue, we should be able to edit any of these. Setup. Oh, I know why. There's only this this web page. You can have as many of those as you want, but there's only one site in our database. Lake Mojave and Davis Dam, that's why. So let's cancel. You got to have more spots. No, but I'll show you how to. Let's right click, get the setup. Oops, wrong one. Right click, setup. Delete current graph. And it would be, okay. Say we wanted to delete this one. This is better. Setup. Delete current. Don't do that. Always have at least one page. Delete current graph. Okay. And you can step through doing that. Setup. Delete current graph. And let's just change this one here to Lake Mojave, since it's the only thing in our database. Replace current graph. Okay. Well, we haven't put any data in it, but there's Lake Mojave now. Okay, and that's about it.